Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox bots. Roblox bots are essentially automated accounts or programs designed to interact within the Roblox platform. These can range from simple scripts to complex artificial intelligence. It's important to understand that while some bots offer beneficial functions, others are created for malicious purposes like scams. We will focus on the helpful applications and how to use them safely. Setting up a beneficial bot often involves integrating it with external platforms, such as Discord. Services like BloxLink or BotGhost provide user-friendly interfaces to create and manage bots without needing to write any code. The process usually involves connecting your Roblox account, providing your group ID, and granting specific permissions for the bot to function correctly. This setup can take just a few minutes to complete. Roblox bots offer many practical applications. For group owners, they can automate tasks like assigning ranks to members based on their in-game achievements or activity. Bots are also excellent for verifying Discord server members by linking their Roblox accounts, ensuring a secure community. Within games, bots can provide interactive experiences, offer assistance, or even introduce minigames and challenges, enriching player engagement. When using Roblox bots, safety is paramount. Always remember to never share your main account password, browser cookies, or any sensitive personal information. Enable two-step verification on your Roblox account to add an extra layer of security. Only interact with or set up bots from reputable, trusted sources, and always review the permissions they request to ensure they align with their intended function. Stay vigilant to protect your account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.